Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming a stable connection and freeing space, because downloads fail when signals or storage are unreliable. Once done, restart the phone to clear transient glitches and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Next, open Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Google Play Store. Force stop the app to reset its state. Then tap Storage and clear cache only, not data yet, so downloads can retry without losing app preferences. If clearing cache didn't fix updates, clear Play Store data to reset its internal settings. This forces the app to resync. Make sure to also clear cache and, if needed, data for Google Play services since it handles authentication and downloads. Once completed, open Play Store and try updating a small app first. If you see account or sync errors, remove your Google account from Accounts, restart. Then re-add it so permission tokens are refreshed and signed requests succeed. If problems persist, uninstall Play Store updates to revert to the factory version. This removes buggy updates and restores baseline behavior. Once done, update Play Store again and test an app. Try switching networks, mobile data versus another Wi-Fi, to rule out router issues. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset, but only after all other steps fail. If you reset, re-add your account and update Play Store before restoring apps to avoid repeat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.